How to get lucid dream easily. Hi, if you clicked on this video you probably know what is a lucid dream, but if you don't know anything about it, don't worry, let me define it in short. A lucid dream is a dream during which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming. During a lucid dream, the dreamer may gain some amount of control over the dream characters, narrative, and environment. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the easiest ways to have a lucid dream. Stick to this video till the end to have lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming takes time and practice to learn. By regularly practicing the following techniques, you can train your brain to lucid dream. Number 1. Make your bedroom dreaming friendly. Dreams occur during REM, the last stage of your sleep cycle, which occurs in increasing amounts during the second half of the night. To enjoy more dreams, you need to enjoy more restful sleep to ensure you get as much REM as possible. To get better sleep, follow good sleep hygiene. Keep your bedroom as dark, cool, and quiet as possible. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any ambient light. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to do the same with noise. Set the thermostat to a cool mid-60 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Keep a dream journal. The first step to successful lucid dreaming is tuning into your dreams. Keep a dream journal by your bed, and the moment you wake up, write down everything you remember from your dream. If you think faster than you write, try recording your memories as a voice memo on your phone. Alternatively, you can download a dream journal app, such as Awoken, Dream Keeper, or Dream Journal Ultimate. Number 3. Recognize your dream signs. Don't just record your dreams in your journal and leave it be. Review your dream journal regularly and look for any patterns. Do certain themes or people show up again and again? These may provide insights into the types of issues your inner psyche is focused on. More importantly, they will help you start recognizing when you're dreaming. The more aware you are of your dream signs, the quicker you'll be able to identify when you're in a dream state. Number 4. Perform reality checks. Reality checks help you confirm whether you're awake or asleep. The idea is to get your brain used to the idea of identifying whether you're dreaming or not, so you can be more equipped to do so while you're asleep. Number 5. Use the MILD technique. The MILD technique stands for mnemonic induction to lucid dreaming. Every night as you're falling asleep, repeat the same phrase to yourself. It should be along the lines of "I will know that I am dreaming" or something similar. Keep repeating it until you fall asleep. Number 6. Try going back to sleep. When you wake up from a dream, stay in bed as you write down anything you remember in your dream journal. Then, close your eyes and try to go back to sleep, focusing on the dream. Play the dream out in your mind, but this time, imagine that you are aware that you are dreaming. Keep focusing on this as you fall back asleep. Number 7. Take up video gaming. If you'd like to play more video games, here's a great excuse. One 2017 study found that frequent video gaming is associated with a better ability to remember your dreams, both lucid and regular. The correlation makes sense, as video gamers are frequently immersed in a fictional, highly vibrant world where they have control over their movements and some aspects of the plot.